I'm Pastor Georgespratz, and you know me as Georgespratz. Happy New Year! How was your Christmas? How was your New Year? Was it good? Hey! Mine was brutal, mine was good. The Christmas carols, the dramas, the movies, the crossovers. Christmas was good, man. The reason why I'm bringing you this quick one, how to pick guitar in praises, and to be more specific, the African way of picking guitar in praises. If you are given a very simple song like Our God Reigns, you know the song, right?
How lovely on the mountains are the feet of Him who brings good news. Good news, announcing peace, proclaiming news of happiness. I got rain, 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 I got rain.
Spratz in town.
I got rain, 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 I got rain.
This is a very simple song and a very popular one. That's why I'm using it. And I'm doing this song in the key of E flat. There are only 3 chords you need to learn: E flat, G sharp 6 or A flat 6, and then B flat. But this is how you play it normally. But in African praises, there's a way of playing it to groove it, to make it very groovy. You can refer to the shape on the diagram and everything will be fine. You can follow the diagram and play everything as it is. I know by now you know the names of your fingers, right? This is P, I, M, A, C or P, I, M, A, S. PMAS or PMAC. Call it any one of them, right? There is a particular picking formula you need to learn. I'm going to use P and I only. And this is how I'm going to pick it. On 1, how lovely on the 1, E flat. You are going to pick register this in your brains. Cha chuku chuka cha 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 chuku chuka cha 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 chuku chuka cha 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 chuku chuka cha cha. I just want something to help you memorize this. On E flat, I hold the chord this way as I'm showing. Then I play with P and I at the same time, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 go. On 5 and 2, I use P and I, so I call it pi. When you hear pi, it means I'm holding P and I at the same time. Pi. So on chord 1, I play the fifth and the second at the same time. So pi. Then the thumb will go to the 4. Then I will come to 3. 4, 3, 4, 3. Then the thumb will go to fifth again. Then I will go to the second. Then I end it with a thumb on the 4th. So pi 4 3 5 2 4. Pi meaning P and I at the same time. Pi 4 3 5 2 4. Pi 4 3 5 2 4. So simple, right? Pi 4 3 5 2 4. The first part, and then the second part is pi 4 pi. So cha chuku chuku chu pi 4 pi. You see, is this not groovy enough to make people dance? So if you learn it on E flat alone on chord 1, that's all. Whichever chord you progress to is the same. If I come to this shape on the chord 4, fa, it's the same thing. But where I have my root on the 6, then I move the whole 1 up, 1 over. So I don't play the second string and I play the 6th instead of the 5th. And I play the 6th string instead of the 5th. So for instance, on J flat 6, I will play pi. While pi, in this case, pi means 6 and the second string. Pi 4 3 6 2 4. Pi 4 3 6 2 4. Pi 4 3 6 2 4. Then chap boom chap. Pi 6 pi 4 pi. And look at where I have my thumb here in order to give me the bass. I can move the same thing 2 frets forward to get my chord 5. Or I'll change to this shape of a B flat, which I prefer when I'm singing. George, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, hey, please subscribe and don't forget to press on the notification bell so the moment we upload any video you don't miss it, right? If you are looking for a one-on-one guitar teacher, where else would you want to look for one? Here. Pick the numbers on the screen, call me, WhatsApp me, and let's get it done. See you again and soon.